એક વસ્તુ જાણીએ આપણે કે મોરારજી દેસાઈ જ્યારે 1979માં વડાપ્રધાન તરીકે પદ છોડ્યું ત્યારે એમની પાસે કશે જવા માટે ઘર નહીં હતું. કારણ કે મોરારજી દેસાઈની ઉંમર ત્યારે ઓલરેડી 80 વર્ષની થઈ હતી, 80 કે 82 વર્ષના થાય. એવો વડાપ્રધાન બન્યા ત્યારે ઓલરેડી આઈ થિંક 78 વર્ષના થાય. આઈ થિંક એમનો જન્મ 1899માં થયો હતો, એટલે 79 વર્ષના હતા ત્યારે वडाप्रधान बने हुए थे. जब बने थे 79 के थे. जब वडाप्रधान से रेजिग्नेशन दिया तो वो थे लाइक 80 और 81 and he has no place to go, no house, no bank balance, no यानी गाड़ी कुछ नहीं है उसके पास. मीन्स हमारे देश में अभी आप कह सकते हो लेस देन 50 ईयर्स, लाइक 50 ईयर्स पहले भी ऐसे लोग थे. मीन्स अच्छे लोग थे, अच्छे लोग होते हैं. लाइक वी आर लकी फॉर हैविंग दिस काइंड ऑफ द पीपल ऑन द हाई लेवल. हाँ, कभी कभी चरण सिंह जैसे, मुलायम सिंह जैसे आ जाते हैं, बट वी आर लकी. लाइक सेम थिंग विद द नरसिम्हा राव जी टू. लाइक ही वॉज रेडी टू रिटायर. He thought like Congress gonna lost the election in 1999 or 90 when the Rajiv Gandhi got murdered. So all he's taking to the Hyderabad is to his native place is just books, his packaging for the books, and then he got the call for the prime ministership. This, what I'm saying about the Morarji Desai is that he really has no house to go when, even though you are retired. And this for these people, like some American writer says that he is an American spy or work for the CIA. Nobody gonna believe that. So this then that time, the Sharad Pawar was the leader in a Congress that time. It's an opposition party, but he knows that how is the Morarji Desai. And Morarji Desai was the Mumbai's, that's old time before the Gujarat and Maharashtra and Karnataka. There was a Mumbai state, and he was a Mukhya Pradhan there, chief minister there long time. So he offered him the one flat apartment in a Marine Drive or somewhere, and he did accept, but then he kept the condition that after my death, my children or my son or nobody can claim there, and government must has to take that back, and Sharad Pawar has to do that contract. Like we cannot even imagine in this today's world, like किसी को फ्री में अपार्टमेंट मिल रहा है और वो सामने से बोल रहा है कि मैं मेक श्योर करना चाहता हूँ कि मेरे मरने के बाद मेरे घर वालों को ये नहीं मिले. नहीं तो हमारे यहाँ तो ऐसे प्रेसिडेंट भी हो गए हैं, जैसे प्रतिभा पटेल. वो प्रेसिडेंट थी, उन्होंने बहुत पैसे लूटा है इन फॉरेन ट्रिप्स, एंड देन व्हेन शी रिटायर आई थिंक शी वांट टू गेट द बिग लैंड इन Pune from the army. So there are people like that, but we are at least fortunate that we have some people like Morarji Desai. Unfortunately, the same thing happened right now, that Mrs. Gandhi against the Mrs. Gandhi. Like any democracy, we have a parliamentary system, not the presidency system. So generally, if some leader has a 40% of the public support, generally they become the prime minister or chief minister. That's what happened before with the Mrs. Gandhi. She became, and that's why like opposite 60% for some reason get together and then oppose them in the forms of they're taking disadvantage of the democracy, and then there is a lot of hartal and lot of like demonstration, and that's like too much. And that is, I think, that time happened during the time about the emergency. Everybody say emergency, but like that time the opposition leader left no other ways for the Mrs. Gandhi. Like Mrs. Gandhi says that like there is an election coming in a 6 months, 8 months, we can do the trial of our popularity, because the thing is that the opposition lost the power lost the election in 1971, and second election was coming around the 75 or 76. But like opposition don't want to stop the demonstration, they just keep doing the demonstration. Mrs. Gandhi says that Mrs. Gandhi fired the Gujarat government that time, and she told Mr. Jaiprakash Narayan that I am ready to fire even the Bihar government. But then the condition is that you should not then go after one by one another government, another state, another state. You have to stop somewhere. You have to stop at the Bihar. Then we can face with the opposition party after the 7-8 months election. But once Jaiprakash Narayan did not hear her, and other people don't want to stop the demonstration, so then she imposed the emergency. And the best thing about that is that she is the one who took it out. Like, even though she knows that from her sense that she gonna lose the election and she has to suffer a lot of things if she lift the emergency, but then she still did. So we should give her credit for that. And if you see the things after the emergency, her popularity is still there in the south of the India. She got like 150 seats in that. She'll lose only in the north of the India and west of the India. North of the India mainly because of, not for Mrs. Gandhi, it's because of Sanjay Gandhi, and that is for the Nasbandi program. Because a lot of Muslims men and a lot of other men got vasectomy forcefully, and that's the main reason. And a lot of people evicted from the Jupiterpati. That's the only main reason. And then they have changed. But the thing is that after the emergency, if you see, there is a, like, all Neta cannot get together. And like everybody, George Fernandez and Madhu Limi and Madhu Dandavade, and they all are the firebrand and want to do the strike everywhere, everything. And they are like more communist than the Lenin or Mao, or the more communist or Marxist than the Marx himself. And they didn't do anything. Khichdi, they made the khichdi. And then there is a one greedy guy, one of the greediest person on the earth, Charan Singh. And from day one, he wanted to be a prime minister. So of course Mrs. Gandhi knows that, like, easy to give the lollipop. And she gave the lollipop to him, and he took it. He broke the government. And then Mrs. Gandhi take out the support in 15 days. He became the prime minister for 15 days. That's the Charan Singh. Thanks God. That is good for, otherwise he might sold the country, I remember that somebody told me that the similar way Mulayam Singh was on the verge of becoming the prime minister, like around 89 or 19, when there was a time for a mixed government. But thanks God he did not become. Somebody told me that, like, he was on a verge of becoming the prime minister, and the day before that, the Varisht Patrakar Kuldeep Nair, in the middle of the night, went to the Communist Party main leader, Surjit Singh Barnala or something like that, and they discuss about Mulayam Singh Yadav. And then next day, Communist Party don't want to go further with him. Unfortunately, he did not become the prime minister. Otherwise, like the CIA or the KGB, always looking for the people like them. Like, they can do anything for the country. Thanks God. Jai Hind.